Hi. So it's November and I'm gonna do Movember now. It's like the ninth already, so I haven't started at the beginning. I was crook, I couldn't do it. But anyway, as you may or may not know, my dad's in hospital right now with some advanced prostate cancer, some got secondary cancer on that. That gives you pause to think, and yeah, I have been thinking about it, and I think actually that the what Movember's doing is pretty special. I mean, enabling conversations around men's health is like a miracle. I mean, um, yeah. So I'd like to support them. I'm going to support them by removing my beard. You should support them too, however you feel you should. So I'm gonna I'm gonna suck the beard off. It's hey, it's strong, a strong way of doing it. So I've got the Hoover. I'm just gonna. Um, okay, so here we go. Beard's coming off. All right. Yeah, it's working. Let's go again. We go. Okay. Whew. Okay. That's not bad. I guess I just need to clean some of this up, so I need a wet shave now. So I'll get a mop for that. Um, okay. So hey, the mighty Mo. I'll probably take it back a bit to give people the fair chance. It's only 9 days in. It shouldn't be this bush yet, but I say I'll do that with a mop. Hey, yeah. So anyway, Movember. It's pretty awesome. I mean, any chance to have such a mighty beast on your face as this is got to be it's got to be well received. But hey, I mean, this really is a good cause that we should be talking about. All right.